Okay. Hello guys, I'm Pawan. I'm Agile customer for this project. Okay, let's start introduction from Sambodhan.
Hi guys, it's me Samudan and I am the developer of this project. Thank you.
And Jivan.
Hi guys, I'm Jivan South and I'm one of the developers for this project.
Okay, Sini.
Hi, I'm Sini Kamazaki, and I am one of the developers for the project.
Sohan.
Hi, I'm Sohan and I'm the project as well.
Okay, Pratik.
Hi, my name is my role is developer in this project.
Jaskaran.
Hi, this is Jaskaran and I'm working as a developer for this project.
And Dikesh.
Hi, I'm Vikesh Sosi. I'm a developer of the team. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's start user stories. So we have two user stories on our system. Like first one is trader, donor, guest, and admin. Let's start with trader. Uh, for everyone, we have to sketch something like I'll make a template. Just a second. Okay. Now the first thing is about homepage. Just a second. Okay, let's start for the trader. We can start from the trader. Like we have two kind of trader, right? The first one who want to we have some items and you wanna trade in our system, right? Let's start from this one. Uh, okay, first of all, like we have homepage, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
homepage of the
yeah. When the
Okay.
trader opens the app, they should see the homepage.
Yeah, here is overview. After homepage, what's the next? Like what user wanna do? What this trader wanna do after homepage?
uh,
User
user
can
can
choose,
post the item
he can post the
or
item here.
he
Yeah,
can search for the available items.
yeah. He should be able to upload his own item or search.
So like post item. What's the description for post item? Like uh
Like
for
a form or a picture.
image,
Yeah, image.
image and
Information about the product.
Category,
Yeah. Description.
description of the product item.
so okay for the homepage. Like what's the description for the homepage?
We should see navigation bar.
And search bar, categories,
It should also
Trade
Category like
have.
the
listing.
filter bar like
Navigation.
the categories.
filter,
Okay,
filter,
navigation search filter
search bar,
and
The trade listing.
categories,
sorry.
The
categories.
trade listing.
Okay, then it's okay, no. And what about the constraint? for homepage.
It should be fast, and all the functionality like search, responsive UI properly.
Like responsive?
Yeah,
Responsive
yeah,
UI.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's responsive interface.
Sorry. Uh, what interface?
Responsive interface.
Responsiveness, and it should be fast.
Okay. Fast. Yeah.
It should be user friendly, so functionality should be there.
Yeah, you good. Okay. And what about the test?
It should be
So the
Yeah,
navigation to the
yeah.
other side, other web pages should be working in
Okay.
navigation.
Response delay.
Homepage must load successfully.
Responsive navigation and the one
the
Search,
search bar should have
search
like
filters.
output. Yeah,
search.
it loads and outputs. The search bar.
Yeah, we can say responsive source filter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Responsive source filter. And what's the expected output of our homepage?
The trader can like browse listing things and easily access to the features.
Sorry?
The trader can browse the items or the listings and they could access all the features.
Like from the search bar, if he
For the key,
does
what's the
search
similar
something,
keyword
it
for
should
this?
be lower.
What's the keyword? We can write keyword.
Functionality or what? Yeah.
Well functional.
Yeah,
Accessibility.
output functional.
Well functional.
Um, Browse easily.
Sorry?
Browse easily.
Proper overview because the homepage provides the overview of the website, right?
Yeah, it's for homepage, right?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Gibson.
Dikesh, do you have a problem in your mind?
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, fine. What's the description for post item? You guys can say keywords only.
Um, image upload. Image upload. Like
Image size or image format?
uh,
Just in image
I think we
format?
can
image
just add a
format.
form to add the item description and everything for a
Okay.
form for an item.
Yeah, we should put form.
Form.
Yeah, it will
Form
consist
will
of all things.
cover. Yeah, it's a
Form
cover
for item.
title, description,
Okay, that's enough
everything.
for now. And what about the constraint?
Let's
Like
have validation. Like if you can't post an item without the title or without an
Okay.
image.
And the data must be stored in the database.
and I think we can even
Yes.
add the required fields of the items, like
A requirement?
like field requirement.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Like
Okay. Okay.
And in database storage.
Database. Okay. Okay. And what about the test? How we can
For
test
test,
this post item? Like
If the item is no, post item must be successful. Item must
it's like authentication.
yeah.
error handling. Error
Mhm.
handling.
Okay. And what about expected output? How it look like after this, all of these things?
The item should appear in the trade listing, the trader listing,
Okay.
in the right category too. Yeah.
Okay. And what's the next? What the user gonna do after this? After posting the item, what trader gonna do?
Like they will receive request, like message from like trader, other traders, customers.
Communication.
What we can say, like receive request. Yeah, receive.
Yeah, receive
Receive
request.
request. Yeah.
Let's see. Receive request. So, and
Message, call,
Notification.
notification.
okay, message notification is better because they don't have number in the first of all. So message and notification is
Yeah,
okay.
notification will be great.
Notification, yeah. Because they'll still chat in the message
Okay.
and you can write just notification.
And what should be the description for our receive request?
It should be probably notification. Like they will get notification if someone has requested for their item.
Okay. What is publish and another one under keyword?
An option of either rejecting or accepting whether
Okay.
the
Okay. Mm, okay. And what about the constraint?
Real time notification.
We can even add status tracking. Like if they have like other app, like place the order so that we can see the tracking.
Yeah, we can write that.
Uh,
Status tracking.
Okay.
strategies. Okay. And what about test? How you can test this story?
Trader must receive request from another trader.
Sorry?
Like receive request from another trader.
Like
Yeah.
notification.
Like if the notification appears.
Okay.
Also, trader can accept and reject the request.
Mm, specification. What about the expected output?
Like the
The
tail.
trader should be able to accept or reject the notification.
A valid confirmation like this.
Validation, yeah.
Okay. Okay. After receiving request, like he go on the home page. After this, he post the item. He from all the traders, he received the request, and after this,
And also for the post item, we can have another branch for post item, like edit and deleting listing.
yeah, for yeah, we he can edit or delete the item, but we can go first with depth first method. So we can finish these things, and after this, no, he can he or she can add. Okay,
Got it, got it.
let's go with depth first method. And after receiving the request, what's the next process? What's the next story?
Like arrange of trade, like
Yeah.
contract and talk.
Arrange
Arranging
trade. We can
trade.
say arrange
Yeah,
trade.
arrange trade.
Okay, what's the description for arrange trade? Uh,
Contact trader.
Contact. Okay. Mm, What's the description for our arranged trade?
We should be able to see the profile of the trader, and we should see a chat
Mm.
box or a chat page of some
Trader
sort.
profile, chat box, right?
Yes,
That's
to
I guess.
send
Yeah, that's
messages.
okay. That's enough. And what about constant?
We can get secure messaging and real-time update.
Real
I think secure
time.
messaging will be great.
Secure
Secure
chat.
chat, yeah.
Secure what?
Chat.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Secure chat and secure. Yeah, it's okay.
Also the
Timestamps
Only
also.
allow the
only
only
approved
approved
users.
users.
Timestamp or what? Sorry. Okay, leave it. So enough. And what about test? How you can test this dictionary?
Message functionality.
Okay. Message. What kind of message functionality, right?
Like the message is actually sent and received.
Receive, and we can check message history too from that.
Okay, message. And what is the expected output?
The
Mm,
messages are
Like
successfully.
successful
Successful
communication
communication
between
between
traders.
traders.
Communication. Okay. Leave it. Now it's like already 23 minutes. Okay, that's too fast, guys. After arrange trade, what's the next? What's the next story after arrange trade?
Like the
Trader
trader
can
can
give a
give a
review.
review.
Arrange
Yeah, it
trade.
can be marked as completed. So like trade completion and review.
Okay. Trade
Yeah.
completion. Okay.
trade completion and review.
Okay. Trade completion. This. Review. Yes. Description for the trade completion. What's
Mark the
the
trade as completed
okay?
and leave feedback. That's it. Trade is completed
And
and leave feedback.
okay. And what about the constant?
Like a star rating system would be good if they can
Sorry.
review by stars. Like a star rating
Oh,
system. Yeah, yeah. To review, to be able to review by stars.
okay. Like 5 star, 3 star, like this.
Yeah, and like
Okay.
we can even make
Also,
Also,
the
one
only
review
one
per
only
review
trade.
one
trader.
trader.
One
One
trader
trader
can
can
leave
leave
just
just
one
one
time
time
review.
review.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. And what about the test? How you can test this trade completion method?
It should update on our listing. The trade should disappear. So profile updates, let's see.
Mm, things will be devastating, yeah. And what about expected output?
Trade is completed, like successful trade completion message or
Yeah. Okay. Would they recommend that here he or she can uh, edit or delete the trade, right?
Yeah,
After
after
post
post
items,
items, yeah.
Okay.
trader
Trader
can
can
delete
edit
or
or
delete
delete
items.
items.
Okay. I think it will come here.
yeah, I think
Okay.
we can route it from post item.
Yes. Okay. Review, right? Uh, edit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Or
edit
edit
or
or
even
delete
delete
history.
history.
or even delete, yeah.
What's the description for this one?
Yeah.
The
Trader
trader
can
can
modify
modify
or
or
remove
remove
an
an
item.
item.
45.
So,
Okay. What's the description for this one?
The trader can modify or
Yeah, modify
Let's see.
modify fields.
Instead of sentence, if we use keywords, then it's fast for us. It's already 27 minutes. Okay, just tell me.
Modification.
Yeah, just put modify fields or modify.
Okay, so it's okay. And what about constant? Just keyword.
Only owner can delete or edit.
Okay.
Confirmation message. Like, are you sure you want to edit or delete? Confirmation
Yes, okay.
message. Yeah.
And what about text?
edit item, delete item.
And database update to brother.
Yeah, database of
Yeah, after
school.
editing database.
Database of it. And what about expected output? Expected output.
Item
Output.
should
Item
update or be removed from
Okay.
database.
Is there any issue left? You're gonna go on the home page. After home page, we will go on the post item, receive request, arrange trade, contact. I think it's
Yeah, it's good.
next is going to the home page and make a plans for that.
okay. It's uh, just a minute. Yeah, now for another trader, right? Like trader
Yeah.
who wants to exchange an item.
Yeah, the one with barter system.
Okay. Okay, like for this trader, homepage is same.
Then after going to the home page, the trader can search for an item.
Yeah. Okay. A source item, right? Source item right here.
Yeah,
And
Yeah,
source
or
item like filter or what? What's the description for source item?
display
Its location,
listings.
categories.
condition.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
And okay, now what's the description for source item? Just tell me keywords. We don't have too much time. It's already 30 minutes. Just keyword.
Location, category, uh, condition
Okay,
of the
so we
item.
can say filter, yeah.
Yeah.
Condition, yeah, it's true. And what about the constant?
I think the location-based search or real-time search.
Advanced filters.
Location resource, right? And this, okay, now for testing, how can we test this history?
View correct results. Correct results should load.
Okay. And what's the expected output of source item?
Like
Like
trader
The
find
trader
relevant item matching their interest or criteria.
okay, like relevant item. And what's the next story after sourcing some items?
I will say like view the details of the item description information.
Yeah, check listing.
What's the keyword? Like exact
View
keyword.
view item details. You can
Item
Hmm.
details.
Okay.
View item, okay.
Or we can see the related item details.
Details. Yeah, you can see details only. What's the description like? It's in right?
including descriptions like
Yeah.
images and videos.
Yeah. Image, video is good. And what about the constant?
Clear details about the item
Okay.
High quality media support.
Optimization.
Optimization is
yeah.
good keyword. And what about testing? How can we test?
Image should load.
Item.
Okay, guys, try to tell me keyword, okay? And
Item page.
here, right? And what's the expected output?
The trader will find what they want.
Yeah.
Match, right? Short match.
Yeah.
Short match, yeah.
And okay. After view item, what's the next story? Like contact
Trade
or
request.
trade request? Yeah.
He or she can send a trade offer to the item portal.
What's the keyword? Exact keyword for this? We can say
Trade request.
Trade request.
yes.
Send request. Either trade request. I think
Yeah.
send
Better
request.
you can write send request.
Good to go with trade request. Yeah.
Yeah.
Trade request, yeah.
What's the description? Small description.
Request an item by offering an item in exchange.
Requesting the item.
Request and this, okay. Description is send request and what's the next description? One is send request, and another one like notification, we can say.
Yeah. We can.
Yeah, and what's about the constant?
Request
Should
limit.
be in the like notification should be receivable to the person who's who is send the request.
Yeah, request
like keywords.
expiration as well.
See keywords notification.
Request limit.
Notification. Request expiration.
You can say confirmation. And how you can test this story?
Send a request.
Send a
Check
request.
status of the request.
Check request status. Verify request cancellation.
Yeah, we can say
Yeah,
request
validation of the
verification.
report.
Request verification. And what's the expected output? After sending
So
the
the
request,
request is visible to the other trader.
Request sent successfully. That should be fine.
that is good. And now after this, what's the next story? Like after the request trade, right? Your item, trade request, and what's next?
I think
I think
the
we
trade
can
should be
connect
arranged.
it.
Sorry?
It's
We
same
can
like
connect it to arrange trade because it's
yeah.
the same contacting.
Yeah.
Orange trade?
Yes, can't we connect it to the arrange trade box? Because arrange trade will also end us
Yeah.
in trade completion.
Yeah, it's like this one, right?
Yeah, like we can just draw an arrow to that instead.
Yeah,
'cause
this
we've already-
person. Yeah, this person is connected with this person, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we've already done the description.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we don't need to describe this one because we describe here. And what's
Mhm.
the next story after this? After arranging trade? Like
I
it's
think the
similar,
After
right?
trade is
yeah, trade
completed.
completion. After the trade is arranged, it's finished.
Yeah, trade completion. Very good.
Trade completion, it's like similar. I think we don't need to describe this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just move on.
So
Third one. This will be which is
this
So here, don't we
things.
have to connect the same use cases?
Sorry,
So these use cases are like same for the others, the last
I
two, arrange trade and trade
because like
completion.
in my perspective, it's like this person is trade with this person, right? They are trading with each other, right?
Yeah.
So it should be similar. Like this guy is trading with this guy, and this guy is trading with yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Now we can move towards another our user story.
Donor, right?
Donor. Yeah.
okay. For that, after the post
Yeah, we
item,
can go with donor.
we can have manage post.
So how we can
Oh, just something they are ready to explain.
I think this page is full.
Yeah, just try to write at the bottom. It will expand.
Maybe we can create a new page down below, like Excel.
Okay.
Let's find page one.
No,
No?
I'm not able
Yeah.
to create here. Okay, do just a second. Mm, okay, wait here.
Can you please try to copy and paste at the bottom something?
Control C. Okay. So from here, what's the next story? Like we finished story, right?
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
go with
Now it's the
donor.
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 Yeah, move to
Okay.
donor here.
Okay. For donor. Okay. For donor, the homepage is same, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
just need to change
we'll post
description
plan on our
to
homepage.
yeah. To,
It's same as trader, or we have to describe this thing.
No, I think it's same as trade.
No,
I
it's
think
kind
it's the
of
same
same.
for
yeah,
everyone.
Yeah,
same.
Yeah, it's
We'll
the
just
same. Right?
everything's
Okay.
change
same.
the description to donation, but
Okay.
same.
Okay. Okay. For donor, what's the next story?
Post item.
Yeah, donor can post an item.
Yeah, the donor person who we don't want to trade, right? Okay. So then what's the description?
For this also, it is same as the trade.
Trade item for donation.
Yeah. Description similar, but the purpose is different, right?
Yeah,
Like trader wanna
Yeah,
trade with someone, some
it's
other
slightly
person.
different.
Yeah, but different. So we have to write description. So
Mm.
items would be
just copy paste from the above and make some changes there.
that's good idea, but mm,
And I think for the constraint of this, it will go in different category.
constraint. Yeah,
Yeah,
so we
it's
have to
like a
write this.
donation category. It should be posted in donation category,
Constraint,
I
yeah,
think.
it's good.
I actually think it will be the same because in trader we did not specify trader category.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I think as well.
I think it will be the same because if someone puts category donation, they will see the donation listings. Because Pawan has been using, the Scrum Master has been using keywords like database, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the
Yes.
same.
Yeah, the
Yeah, the
process
process
is
is
same.
same.
But like the concept is little bit different, I think, because donor don't expect anything, right? Trader expect
Yeah.
something from other guys, and donor do not expect anything from others. So you just wanna give. So I think here's the system is a little bit different. Okay, what's the
Yeah, yeah, but the keywords are
Yeah,
same,
because
right?
I think if the donor donates something, it's free of like cost, so some anyone can trade it without giving
yeah,
anything to
And charge, yeah.
to them.
and what's the expected output?
Item will appear in marketplace, like donation marketplace. Yeah, is donation.
Yeah. I,
Yeah, it
donation
will go on the
category.
donation.
Okay. After this history, what's the next history after posting item?
Yeah.
Managing
Managing
post.
post, manage,
Edit, yes.
manage
Manage,
post.
manage posts. It's like it's similar
Same
like this,
like
right?
he will receive requests or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah,
Hmm. We can add this, add those approve request, reject request in this one.
yeah.
Manage. Yeah. Here the
Hmm.
system is little different because they are not doing arrange trade, right? They're not
Yeah.
trading. Just if you want to donate something.
He's just managing the requests, like approve
Yeah.
or decline or something like that.
Yeah. So what's the description? A description is also approved and is it- and what's the constant?
Constraint here, it should be like it's only
Expiration time.
it's only on the donor's part, the approval or something like that.
I think that the chat, the arranging is still valid here because you have to usually chat to get the address of the person because the address will not be visible on the person's profile. So I think it will still be the same. It's just that this time they are just sharing address, time where I'm available to pick up, things like that. So it will still be
Okay.
communication.
Okay.
But this
So
time,
like
this would
here,
all depend on the donor side, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
Before,
All
like
depend
it
on the
used to
donor.
depend
if
on
he wants
trader and
to,
the receiver.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Here
Okay,
both side is active. Here only one side. Like
one will decide.
yeah, only one donor. So what do you think?
Yeah, only donor can decide. You can write this in master.
Okay. So for constant for testing method. So what's the test method for donor? What's the exact
Like
keyword?
it will be same like notification, status, and request, like managing request, accept,
yeah,
rejected.
request status.
Okay. And what's the expected output?
Again, it will be notification.
It's a
Like
notification. Yeah.
Like rejected notification and
Okay.
approve process proceeds.
Rejected or approved.
Yeah, it's
Hmm.
okay.
Right.
And the
So we can
managed trade. Okay.
say in short, we can say the status update should be sent.
Uh, so it's okay. Leave it for now. Okay. And what's the next story? After
communication,
managing trade, what's the next trade? Next story.
I would
communication.
say communications.
Yeah, if the donor accepts the request, and then they can
Go for the communication.
Can you go for arrangement of delivery?
Yeah,
That
it's the
comes
description,
that
like
comes
You should
under
say like
communication, right?
pick up or delivery.
Yeah. First, we can do the communication. What's the description for communication? Like,
Chat box.
yeah,
Pick up,
on this
pick
story,
up
they just
Then
approve,
share.
delivery.
right? On this of story, they just approve or reject the story, right? Reject the request, right? If this they accept the request, then we go further, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's after the
So
Uh,
getting
pick
the
up or
request.
okay.
delivery. Yes, after making it's accepted. So pick up delivery.
Accepts that because what's the description?
Same chat box.
And
You can say
Access
access
finalization.
control pickup,
the chat
that and discuss for pickup.
element for because we can say so. And what about the constraint?
Secure messaging,
Yeah, secure message. Like last time, it will be like real time update
Yes,
Okay,
timestamps be the same
timestamps. Yeah.
constraints.
secure message and real time update, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the test? How we can test this method?
receive and send message.
Mm.
Chat notifications.
Yeah, check notification is good.
Yeah, it will be same.
And what's the expected output for this communication? What we can expect?
We can say like the both party have finalized the pickup delivery. The trade is completed. Like the final process is about to be done.
Donation arranged.
Okay. Okay, good, good, good. So after they confirm the donation, right? After this,
Donation completion.
Donation completion. Yeah.
or did you write
Yeah,
completion?
last time it was trade completion. Now it's
Just
donation
donation
completion, right?
completion. Yeah.
We can even give feedback. No, because like it's donation. Why do we think someone
I
needs
don't
feedback
think
for
we need
donation? Yeah.
feedback. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feedback. What do you think? We can need
No,
or
no, no.
no?
Like it's a donation. Like why do we need
It's a
feedback? Like
donation.
he's
You
not
don't
doing
need
for money.
feedback.
What's the description for this? This last story.
Mm, First, the
Mark has
description will be
donated.
donation completion.
Mark
A
has
mark on the
donated.
system.
Yeah. Marcus donated or something.
What's the exact keyword? Like here we can write. Here we write keyword, right? Upload, reject, message, pick up. What's the
You
exact
can
keyword
write
for this one?
Mark has donated. You can write donated.
Sorry.
Mark has donated.
So our description is like
Confirmation of donation.
constant. What about constant?
Constraint.
The constants will be like the action is not irreversible.
Sorry.
The action can be irreversible.
Notification as well.
Um,
Like after donation, you can't read an item like this.
Yeah, like the process can't be redo again.
No, like it's for system.
just profile updates, database updates.
Yeah, we can say database
Yeah.
update, right?
Okay.
Keep it simple.
Database update. And what about
Yeah,
test? How
items
we
will be
can
updated to status.
update status? Okay.
Yeah, item update status.
That's right. Status update.
Okay, and what about the expected output?
Item
Item,
removed from listing.
yeah,
Yeah, mark as
it
listing, right?
should not appear in the listing.
So mark as
Mark
donate.
has donated.
Mark has donated. Yeah, that is right.
It's donated, right? Home page, post item. Uh, is there any story left or it's fine?
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah,
fine.
it's good.
Yeah, I
It's
think
perfect.
it's good. Yes.
Here, like after posting the item, we can say like edit and delete item also, like this.
Like, but it matches with this one.
But we do have
It
the
should
manage
be
post, right?
it should it should not match with another user role.
Okay, it's for independent. Okay. Yeah, we finished Twitter and donor, right? Now we can go with the guest or admin. We have guest and admin, right? It's already 52 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go for guest.
Yeah,
Guest.
we'll go for guest. Yeah, okay.
For guest, the homepage is the posting is same, right?
Yeah, the same.
And after homepage, for guest, what's the next story?
We
For
can
guest
register in our account
registration.
first.
Yeah, it's a
In our
sign to be able to sign up. Registration.
Yeah,
I think
For
most
registration.
of
trading any item, you should register first.
Yeah.
uh,
Guys, just tell me one story
just a
first.
second. First of all, I think Professor said leave the login page out of it. So
Yeah.
no, it's not a login. It's a registration. Like we can
okay.
register in our system.
Registration comes
Yeah,
in
he have
login
to be a
page, right?
registered user to post any
It's the
trade,
guest,
like
right?
to get anything from the.
I mean,
Okay.
if we have to leave out logout, we can just make the guest be able to just view, but cannot actually trade anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's before registration he can just search things, or he can just
Yeah,
navigate through the web page, you know.
Yeah, if he like our item or trade that items, then he can register and he can be a trader or donor.
exactly. Yes. So
Yeah,
guests should just we should just do jump straight to
I
view
think
and
navigation will
search.
come first. He should navigate to the website, or like, browse the website first.
No, no,
Okay.
no. What happens before he enters the web app is not our business. It's just once he enters, I think we should jump straight to search and search
Yeah.
results. That's all.
Okay. Then what's the first story?
So
Search,
browsing the web
Search.
app.
Search. Yeah.
search.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Search.
Search.
Source item. Okay. You can say filters. And what's the next? Filters category.
Categories,
Okay.
condition.
Location.
Just a second. Uh, condition, location. Okay.
Location. Keywords.
Yeah. It's and what about the constraint? What type of constraint you can use?
Real
He
time
can't
start
he
from
can't
system.
like post anything Or
Sorry?
Optimization.
before like without registration he can't post anything. He just can browse.
Yeah, what's
Like
the exact
restricted
keyword?
action,
Yeah.
Item
restricted action for
visibility.
test.
Um,
Search suggestions? Oh, what?
restriction. Yeah, it's restriction is good word. And
No,
what's the
Restriction
next?
for
first, right?
posting, a restriction for like you can say posting restriction. Yeah.
Yeah, it's restriction. Okay. And what's that? What about testing?
It's like he should like for the test we should attempt to post to check that
Or
our
search by keyword.
restriction works or not.
Search by keyword. We
Yeah,
can
so
search location based search.
yeah.
And attempt to like we should attempt to post if it's the restriction works or not.
Okay, it's enough. Okay.
Posting attempt.
Oh, it's good for now because we don't have too much time. What about expected output?
I think it will be visible to all the item.
Relevant item.
Yeah,
Relevant listing or
yeah,
Like
it's
they
good.
can even register for full access.
So we can say
Yeah, it's enough for now.
a registration prompt that you may register to post
Yeah,
any item.
yeah,
We can say
it's a,
registration prompt.
okay. And after sourcing the item, what's the next story? We source the item, right? Like
If it will get the
view.
result, search result. Search result.
source result.
Yeah.
Let's put view results or view items with an S.
View item.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the description like? Short description.
View item details. Item details.
Details.
Like
Details.
Yeah.
images, description.
Okay. Uh, for description. Description. Okay. Now, what about the constraint? What's the possible
Mhm.
constraint? Like it was relevant sort result, right?
Optimization.
Constraints relevant search result. Restricted action. So
Okay.
so the guest can't really interact with or send a request.
Okay. That's okay. I see. Yeah. And what the test? How can we test?
Attempt to message any trader.
Yeah. He can't.
Attempt for communication. We can say.
Like the feature item are displayed correctly. Like checking of the item posting.
Mm,
Like verification bell. And ensure that whether the home page. No, that won't work.
okay. Leave it now. Okay. It's 1 hour. Okay. Be careful with time. We have another for guest. We have admin and we have to discuss other things also.
Okay.
So what about the expected output? Just try to tell me keywords. Okay. What's the expected
Uh,
output?
View
Mm,
item
we
details
need to register
successfully.
for full access.
Sorry.
We need to register for full access.
View item details successfully. That should be okay.
That's it. That's it. Let's move.
Maybe we can add restricted access. Yeah.
Okay. And what about finish, right?
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the after view item? What about the next story?
You may attempt to register.
Yeah.
No,
Homepage.
immediately he registers, he becomes a trader or donor.
Yeah.
I thought someone here said professor
Yeah,
doesn't want
the
Yeah.
anyone.
Professor literally told us that he doesn't even want to hear a single word about login.
Lucky.
Yeah,
It's not
it's not
about
about
logging,
login,
it's
it's
about the
about the
registration,
registration,
right?
right?
No, the
Registration is
registration and
login.
login is different thing. They're different
Yeah.
Yeah,
things. Registration and login is different thing.
I
So
know
guys,
it is a
guys, wait,
different
guys, wait.
thing, but
Like,
after, yeah,
okay, okay, tell me. Yes, one, continue.
I
Let's
mean,
do the registration part later.
like registration is a part of login page, right? Yeah. The login page allows you to log in your ID. If you don't have an ID, then you have a registration thing.
Okay, okay, look here. Here, the guest comes on the home page and he search item. If he's in like any item, then he goes on the item details, like right. If he like the item, if he wanna trade or he wanna donate item here, then he or she should register on the on our platform, right? So
Registration is important.
yeah,
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 it's the
registration
next
is important.
story.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we can go for registration.
I mean, yeah, we can add, but let's just ask professor after this, okay? Uh,
okay, okay, okay.
it can be a big.
You can just say registration for trade.
Yeah, and then we can also connect view item to registration box.
Hmm.
What's the description for registration?
Create a new account,
Sign up form.
sign up.
Yeah, login sign up, we can say.
Yeah.
Verify their
Like,
mail.
No,
yeah,
don't put login. Just put sign up.
okay,
Yeah, sign up.
okay.
We can say create a new account. Okay, okay, it's fine.
And now we can read the description. What's the description for this registration?
The verification of
Secure
the
password
details.
storage.
The verification.
Yes, and what about constraint? The not
Uh,
for
Data
email
security, data
verification.
security. So data security, we can
Validation.
say.
data
Also
security and
validation.
Validation.
Validation. Email
data.
confirmation to send a confirmation to the email.
Okay, email confirmation. That's good. And how we can test?
Or register successfully or invalid email error after that.
Okay,
Yeah, register successfully.
Like it should even handle invalid email inputs.
email validation.
Email validation. Okay. And password strength too.
Sorry,
Password
Password
string.
strength.
passport security or
No, we can do that.
email
That's in
validation.
data security only.
Yeah, data security. Yeah. And what's about the expected output?
Account
Like
gets
guest account
created
are created.
and it's get full access
Yeah,
Account
full access
registered.
granted.
And
Yeah, account register, yeah. Basically.
uh,
of the
You
platform.
can you can put full just full access.
so after registration, he can be a trader and directly he
Or
can be here,
donor.
right? And what's the other possible story of a guest? He can source item. He can be our user.
Without registration,
So we have to
the
make a
user.
box after registration for trader or donor, I think.
Sorry.
No, I think that's it.
So
No, no,
after
no.
No need to
No, no,
make
no,
any
no.
things.
okay.
Let's just
We
move
can
on to
just say
admin.
next. Yeah, without registration, the user can able to just see the listing items like trading item or into any related items, but he can communicate with the person, the person who post the item.
So is there any story left?
And like after
I think
registration,
this
like
is
we need to
it.
go for trading.
Yeah.
Like,
For
like
guest
after
trading
Trading. Oh,
also.
registration.
that's what I'm saying. It
After
should be like
registration, he
after
would definitely
he
be a
wants to be a
trader or a
trader
donor.
or
He
like
wouldn't
he
be
wants to be a
anything like
trader
this.
or he wants to be a donor. That's
Yeah.
also be a user story, I think.
Immediately the
Yeah.
Immediately
already
pick
described here, right? When the when the guest register on our system, then
register. He becomes
he
yes,
automatically navigate here, right?
yes,
For
Yeah,
this
Oh
way.
yeah,
and
absolutely,
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Here or
That's
here?
that.
Exactly.
absolutely.
I got it. I got it. Got it.
one
Good,
person
good.
can be both trader and
Yeah, both
donor
trader or
at the
donor.
same time.
Yeah,
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 so
search
yeah.
item. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay.
stop a
Now,
registration.
okay. Now we can.
Move on.
Is there
Yeah.
any story after registration? No.
No, no.
It will directly navigate there. Okay. Now then we can move towards what's the left? Admin, right?
Yeah,
Admin,
admin.
yes,
Yeah.
admin.
that's what.
Okay. For admin, the first one is same. No, I think there is some different for admin. What do you think?
Yeah, it's gonna be a
Admin
dashboard.
dashboard.
Dashboard,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's name it as admin dashboard.
Okay. What's the description?
Mm,
Homepage.
Like key statistics. Like they can see.
yeah.
For
They can have a,
admin,
like
Overview.
there for admin there is different type of homepage or
It
what?
should be different type of homepage.
that's
Different
why we're
type.
making it admin dashboard, right?
Yeah. That's why it's a dashboard. It's
Mm.
different type
Like they
and
can
type.
see the overview,
Uh,
statistics.
Yeah.
what you can
And
do is write homepage first, and in the brackets,
yeah, in
mention
bracket we can write admin dashboard.
admin place.
Okay.
Like it will differentiate. Page and inside the bracket, admin dashboard. That's a great idea, Sohan.
Okay. Just a second. So what's the description for admin? Admin dashboard.
It's
Admin.
a admin panel.
Admin channel
Like they
and
will even get the quick
What
overview,
okay.
and they can even see the statistics.
No, it's
That's
a
why we can say
quick
key statistics.
overview. Yeah.
Okay.
And what about constraint?
it
Fast
should be
loading.
very secure. It should be very
Very,
secure.
very secure.
Secure authentication.
Yeah, there should be good proper authentication. Very secure.
Auth. Okay.
Authentication.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
the access
Okay.
should be based on the rule. Like nobody can access this.
So what about test? How he or she can test?
Only admin will be able to access.
Yeah, we can say restricted access.
To access.
Short term.
Yeah. Exactly. Then what's the
And
expected output?
like they can see the insights of the system and efficiency of the system,
Like
monitor all activities.
I think that's just successful functionality.
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah, that we
Uh,
could keyword.
Great.
Mm, okay. And what's the next story for admin
Should be
after
able to
dashboard?
manage users.
Yeah,
So
user management.
Yeah, yeah. They're the one who will manage the users, right? User
User
management,
management.
manage user.
What's the description?
Like they will allow the like user, like they will
Just try
view,
like
approve.
manage users.
just
Mm.
yeah, just for manage users.
also or ban user accounts.
Yeah, it will be also in the inside the manage user.
Yeah, we can yes, we can
Okay.
put that in
If they can
description.
approve, they can ban.
Okay. For description is user management. And what's the next?
Uh,
And,
I
Yeah,
think
table.
it covers everything. User management
Okay.
Yeah.
covers banning,
Okay.
suspending,
And what
everything.
about constant?
Like same the authentication
It should have notification, a good notification system.
and the
All
authentication here notification. We can
okay.
even add user logs. Like they are the one who always manage the user.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about test? How your can test?
Like they are the admin. They are approving the managing the users. That's why we can say like they will be verifying the changes in database.
Yeah.
Verify
Database
data.
verification.
And again, we can even add management of the users like in the test cases. I think so.
Verification. Data is verification. And another management of what?
I think management of user again.
that
Okay.
suspension or
Yeah, I'm not
like
sure again.
approval.
I think we need to hurry up, guys. It's already more than 1 hour.
Yeah. And what's the expected output?
The expert I would like the admin will be what do we can say like they efficiently manage the users like yeah.
Efficient management.
Can
Efficient management of system as well as user.
Yeah.
Both.
admin can
System
manage
and user.
efficiently?
Uh oh no, just user. Sorry, because I think the user story for system is different from user story for user.
Oh yeah, it's user management. Right? Okay,
Yeah.
my blunder.
Okay. And what's the next story after user management?
We
Um,
can change the platform settings, maybe.
System settings. That should be it.
The
After
permission, the
I think it should be
after
permissions
yeah
user
and
after
management or
dashboard.
different story?
No, from dashboard.
Yeah.
I think
From
all our
homepage.
user stories would stem from the dashboard.
From dashboard, right?
Yeah.
What's the keyword?
I think this he can
System
change the
settings.
system, yeah, system settings, maybe
System settings. Yeah.
like the permissions or policies or something like that.
Is security included in system setting?
What's the description for system setting?
Admin dashboard.
The permissions, we can say.
Yeah, let's put permissions, preferences. Finish.
Permission?
Yeah, preferences.
Description like permission management.
Permission, preferences.
Configuration.
Configure platform settings.
Sorry?
Configure platform settings.
Configure.
Settings, okay. And what's the constraint?
It should be accessible to higher authorities only. Accessible to higher authorities.
And the log needs to be audited or not?
Sorry?
Mm,
Like the logs will be audited or not?
I think yes.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think yes. We can just put audit logs required.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Just write audit logs required.
And what's the test? How you can test?
Update
By
permission.
changing settings,
Verify
yeah.
logs.
Verify logs.
Update,
Permission.
update. Yeah, you can say change
Permission.
settings. Changing settings.
Okay.
Changing settings.
So what's the expected output?
Updated settings.
Yeah, updated settings and permissions.
And we need to even mention the stability of the platform. Like even after like some edit, the platform might be unstable.
Okay.
Mm.
Without compromising the stability
The
of the
stability of the
platform.
platform, yeah.
Now what's the next history after system settings? System setting.
And guys, is the security included in
Yeah,
system
we can go
settings?
for the security.
I
Yeah.
think so. Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
we
included in
can add
system
more to that. Yeah.
settings. Another user story could be viewing system reports. Viewing reports is very important.
System report
You
or
Yeah,
user report?
reports. System system reports,
So
because
you can say
system
System.
reports
Yeah.
has the analytics for even the users as well.
System. Mm, what's the description?
like track the system performance.
Track and generate reports.
Track.
That's
Sorry,
that's
Wait,
fine.
wait, wait, guys.
track performance. Okay. Guys, we need to
Mm,
hurry up. It's already 1:18.
Okay, it's fine.
track. And
Uh,
what's the next?
generate reports.
Yeah.
Like the
Okay.
report will be only on the system. No.
Okay, okay, leave
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
leave
on
it
the
now.
system.
Doesn't matter. Yeah,
What
just
about
generate
process?
reports.
What about
Real
process?
Um,
time analytics.
we should have
Visual
some
dashboard.
visuals. Yeah,
Export
put
options also.
yeah.
Sorry?
Export option is a good one. Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Export.
just put visuals so we can see the stats.
You mean
Yeah,
visual
you
on
can.
dashboards?
Yeah, we can
No,
just
no,
put
it's just to leave it
visuals.
now. What about
Mm,
test method?
Uh, like exports of
Generating
data,
uh,
and we can even
user
see the
activity
trade
report.
volume. User acti-
Yeah. And what about expected output?
Able to analyze trends. That's it. I think that should be it.
And as they are monitoring the system, like they can even like improve the performance of the platform as they are like evaluating the system through the report.
What's the what
We can
thing
just
said
say able to
about
analyze trends, because if it's analyzed, it that's another. They will discuss
yeah.
how to be
Okay.
improved.
And what's the next story?
Like
Um,
I think like if
We
it
can go
would
for
aid
security.
security, but I think security is already
I
merged
feel
with
like
system setting.
because we
System
talked about
setting place with
permission.
permission, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, like
so it's
okay.
in there. Yeah.
Okay, we can include on the permission. So is there any issue left? All right.
Home
No.
page is there, user management is system management is there.
Yeah, I think all done.
I feel like
That,
this is okay. Yeah.
uh, if there is need of any changes, then we can just add it after this.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now, just a second. Okay.
We also have to do the estimate timing.
So we can do on the notepad. Okay. So there is several HTML page, right? Like first HTML page is home page, and like what's other HTML page like sourcing page?
Oh, search page. Uh,
And item
list
post page.
item page, listing page. No, item page, trading page, donating page.
Mm, yeah.
Trading
Uh,
page.
Chat
and
page.
also we can enter
Like
registration page.
before the source spread, like we can go for registration page, not login, just registration.
Okay, registration page. Enter what's the
Sign
next?
up.
Also chat page. Message page.
You
Yeah,
say
yeah.
notifications.
Okay. Notification notification page and what's next? Chat page, right?
Chat
User
page.
profile.
And
Chat
what about
page.
the like the results
I think
after
the
like
chat. I think the chat page comes under the notification page.
Yeah, yeah, you wrote it.
like notification
Oh.
page can only be for interested also. Like if someone is interested
Yes,
for the
all in
item.
one included. Like interested, we can make the tabs or like
Yeah,
that.
we can do though.
Yeah, a user page. Okay, I got it. User profile and home page, search page. Yeah,
So what's the next
chat.
possible page? HTML page.
Yeah, the messages page. Because that's the only way you can view the chat
Okay, the
groups.
chat page.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. We need chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Chat page,
So what's
message
the other
page,
possible page?
I
Review
think the note
page.
review page.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Review page.
three view page for what? Like
When
For the
you
The
trader.
feedback one.
because after you complete something, a page should pop up, leave feedback. Then you
okay, we can say
rate.
feedback page.
Yeah,
Yeah.
feedback page.
Yeah.
And
I feel
after
like
this, like,
the message page and notification page seem similar because
No, not
but
Message
exactly.
and
all message is
notification
like
are different,
chatting,
right?
chatting with each other.
Because the page where you get a tick icon and an X icon to accept or reject is very different from where you can message. Because
Yeah,
what if you have a
notification.
lot
Yeah.
of
and what about
requests?
the admin page? It is included like it's a separate
Yeah,
No,
it's
user
admin page.
no.
pages.
I
The admin
think
page
this
is different.
is the web app itself, like what people see from the front
Admin
end.
page is different. Yeah. And what
Yeah.
about
Yeah,
user
it's not
page?
accessible to all. The admin page is
Yeah.
not accessible to all.
You already put user page
Yeah.
above.
Still, we have to develop this page, right? We are talking about like the page that we have to develop.
Okay, yeah.
It user page also, right? User
Guys,
profile page.
You
yeah,
already
I was
put
saying
it.
We have
to
already put it. We
You
already put
already
it.
put it. Yeah.
And what's the next possible? Is this enough or
Search view listings.
instead of user page, we should write user profile.
I
okay?
think
Then
I
just
mean,
add
are we going to
the
have about us page? Like if we're developing it, a web app usually has like
like it.
contact
It
or
can be done in the
it's
home
all
page
in
too.
is yeah, it's in homepage.
yeah, okay, yeah,
I
Home
that's
page,
true.
yeah.
and I feel like in admin page there are the different pages emerge from that.
Yeah, if we're doing admin page, then we got to do all the pages for the admin. If not,
Yeah,
we take it out.
for the admin their system page. It's the monitoring page. You know?
Guys, we just got 6 more minutes.
Uh,
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this page, right? So guys,
Home
what do
page,
you
just
think?
monitoring page.
How much time it will take to make home page?
I think
Just just,
it will
just
take the most difficult part will be home page.
you guys can type on the chat for home page. How much time it will require?
Like it will depend upon like how fast we can make other pages so that we can merge it and link it.
Yeah, you can write your view on the chat. Just type quickly.
Like after we get other pages, like it will be just 1 hour max.
Okay, type it.
no,
Yeah, okay,
I think it will
sure.
take more than that.
2 hours.
Maybe 5 hours.
Nice. You guys are so quick.
Yeah.
I think it will take a day, man.
Just
Yeah,
type it. Okay, we don't
that
have too
was
much time. Okay, it's
that
already 25.
that
Okay,
was the thing
just
I
quickly
was
type.
thinking, and
Just in one day. Okay.
people are like
Okay,
two
Sini, just tell me
hours.
why you need only 2 hours.
Because most times the homepage is just a bunch of content writing and clicks to other pages.
So you are talented student, right?
Connected to the
And what
database,
about the
right?
case?
We have to retrieve data from the database.
Yeah, the home page is just a link to the other page. You don't need much time there.
Yeah, we can just make some CSS and make it beautiful or attract user
Okay,
friendly.
Yeah, the home page takes more time. So the major layout we do in the home page, and the other pages just link to that. The all CSS we can use other for other pages.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Ziban,
We
why is
should
it
So I
just
think
two
five
hours?
hours is a
conclude
good
it.
average between a day and
Yeah.
2 hours.
Okay,
Um,
5 hours.
5 hours. Final. Okay. We are talented team, right? So just 5 hours. Yeah. And what about sword space? Just type quickly.
Uh,
How much time will it take?
4 hours. Yeah, that's it.
Time is running. Okay.
I think
3 hours. Be quick.
Three, 6 hours.
because we have to implement the filter and the location.
Location, category.
We have a lot of things here. We have to sort the result.
Okay. On average, we can write 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 6 hours. Okay,
on
just
average, you can
like
write 6 hours. I
okay.
think between 2 days and.
6 hours final.
In
Okay.
in this way, we are developing an web app in a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a simple version of our system, so it's okay for
Okay.
And what about trading page?
Yo,
Trading
Training
page.
page.
I think it will take a bit more time.
yeah,
One
we
day.
don't
no,
have
it's
enough
just
time.
posting
Yeah, one day.
item
Yeah,
for trading, right?
One day like
It won't take much time.
okay, 12 hours here. For trading page, 12 hours.
I think
And
donating is also the same.
what about donating page?
Same.
I think donating is
Yeah,
same.
Yeah,
yeah.
12
Okay.
hours.
For
Registration.
registration page?
Registration is just
2
easy. We just
hours.
need to store the
Yeah, two
data.
hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
2 hours. Yeah.
And what notification?
I'm
Yeah,
unknown about that. I haven't done that.
It's not that they are complicated. So
2 hours.
maybe 1 or 2
Yeah. It's
hours.
just the messages pop ups, so it will take
Yeah,
2 hours.
I
Okay,
haven't
two
done
yeah,
that
hours.
thing
just
ever.
It's
Oh,
in
and
six
User
user
hours.
profile
profile
page.
just 2 hours. It's easy.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's easy.
mm,
Mm. I think
Okay,
user profile is
no,
easy.
no, no.
2 hours.
Fast.
two
Mm.
hours. Okay.
Mm,
Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah,
I think it's in 2 hours.
User
Let me
profile.
see.
It's a bit complicated. User
okay,
profile.
give it a 3 hours then.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Mrs.
Okay.
Page, I think five
Uh,
hours.
Message
Five
page for
hours.
chatting. What do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because we need to
I,
make it secure and all that stuff,
yeah,
so I
yeah,
think
yeah.
it will take some time.
How much time?
so
Give it,
Uh,
yes, give it same as trading page 12.
Trained Uber to the okay. And what about feedback page?
feedback page is
it
Three
It's
is
just
hours.
about
3
messages
hours.
same simple.
and
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah,
Three,
three
three,
hours.
three. Okay, okay. And what about
And
admin page?
yeah.
Admin
Admin is
page,
little
give
bit
3
it one
days.
complicated.
day.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
It
3
take
days.
it will take 2 to 3 days. Yeah.
Yeah,
days.
it will take long.
it's just arrive 1 day. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah, we're talented still. Only
and
12
this
hours.
is
Just
it.
calculate, guys, calculate totally. What's the total hours?
12, 24,
Uh,
24, 24, 2 days, 3, 6, 16.
there is
2
no 2 days.
days,
Stopping the recording.
Okay, wait.
One
Total hours.
month.
6,
What's the total hours?
18,
One day.
2 दिन 10
Because
घंटा 2 दिन 16 घंटा 2 दिन
16,
21 घंटा 2 days 21 hours I think.
2 days, 21 hours. Okay.
Yeah, 2 days 21 hours.
3 days. Make it 3 days.
1
Make it 3 days.
Okay.
Very cheap
Okay.
app.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
69
so
69
and
hours.
Okay. That's it for today.
29 seconds.
Everything is
oh,
possible.
we did very fast this session.
Yeah.
So I'm stopping the recording. Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thanks
Thank
for
you
the
guys for
session.
the time.